So as a quick refresher on Ohm's law, we are gonna find out how to measure voltage, which is measured in volts, resistance, which is measured in ohms, and current, which is measured in amps. So I will give a few examples in just a second. So let's take, for example, we have two numbers here. Our voltage is 12 volts, our resistance is 250 ohms, and then we have to solve for current. So how do we do that? So we look over at our little chart that we made, and you can see that to solve for current, you have to divide voltage by resistance. So let's do that real quick over here. So we'll take 12 volts and divide it by 250 ohms. So that number is going to come out to be about 0.048, and it's measured in amps again for the current. And this could be changed to, for simplicity, 48 milliamps. Okay, so that's how you would solve for current. So let's solve another problem with the same numbers. All right, so we're gonna do a problem using the same numbers we had from last time, but just to factor voltage. So we're gonna look over at our chart here, and we're gonna cover the voltage. To find voltage, you'll have to multiply the current times resistance. So let's see here. So our current is 0.048 amps. Multiply that by 250 ohms. So if you multiply the two numbers together, you're gonna end up getting 12. So our voltage will be 12 volts. Okay? So let's have another example real quick. And we're going to solve for resistance. 12 volts. And our current is 0.048 amps. Okay, so if we're solving for resistance, we are going to cover that up. We're going to do voltage divided by current. So we're going to do 12 divided by our current, which is 0.048. So what that equals up to be is 250 ohms. Okay, so we figured out how to solve voltage, resistance, and current.